75% of all media spend is going to be going through native advertising by 2021, which means more advertisers need to get savvy into how they use content to actually drive meaningful business results. So today I'll tell you some of the ideas that I think might be relevant for you for holiday season. When it comes to native advertising, two things you need to pay attention to. First one of them is the content that you create, and second is how do you actually distribute this content through native ads. So in my view, great content is all about solving customers' problems and spotlighting your customer. This holiday season, perhaps maybe look into unboxing videos. Have your customer actually open your product and film it or write up the description. I think for a brand to stand out in such a busy time of the year when there's so much fight for attention, I think it boils down to really knowing your audience and going after specific users. If you're going to try to target everybody at mass, I think it's going to be really difficult to win that battle. And in my view, it all starts with understand the audience that you are selling to and then create content to solve for the problem of that audience. Your entire year is great for experimentation. I think in Q4, during busy shopping season, I think you should double down on what works. I think you should look into using as much user-generated content as possible, whether you find it on social from people that share your products organically, or if you are working with influencers, think of how you can actually amplify that content. I think more and more people are looking for other regular individuals for opinions versus just plain advertising that they're used to in order to make a decision about a particular brand. So I would say this holiday season, try to spotlight your customer and think of different mediums of how you can tell the story, be that long-form video, influencer marketing campaigns, or perhaps shopping guides. Creating a really catchy native ad without being clickbaity, and what I mean by clickbait, it's basically, clickbait is really, in my view, the gap between the expectation versus what you actually get on the landing page. If you click on an amazing headline and you think this article is going to change your life, and then you arrive to the article and it's really boring, that's clickbait. To create great native ads, start with really great content and then just summarize it in a native ad. That's my number one recommendation. A lot of people focus too much on making catchy headlines and catchy native ads instead of investing time on actually making user experience great after the click.